Hey guys, Zach with Zach's GT Garage here. And today I wanted to share my headlight replacement that I did on the Mustang, along with fog lights, so let's get started. So I've had the Raxium black tinted projector halo headlights on for the car for many years, and for many years of use and a little bit of time that it was at my parents' house outside, it just became faded. The tint started to peel off from being in the sun, so I decided to replace them. Now I decided to go with the stock look. I really like the stock headlights on how they look from these headlights. They were on the 99 to 2000s, and then 2001 to 2004. They were the same headlight except they had a black housing on it. But where the headlight bulb is still chrome. Now for the fog lights, they had the clear fog lights, but they were dark tinted on them. I know you can get them at American Muscle. I never cared too much for them, but I just liked the factory fog lights, how they look. So I went ahead and finally pulled the trigger and got the fog lights. But between the new headlights and the new fog lights, I think the car looks a lot better, especially being a limited true edition of the 35th anniversary. I think they just look really good. And I apologize, I didn't make a video on how to do this. I know with the bumper on, getting the fog lights off the car, off the front bumper, was kind of a bit of a pain to reach the bolts. So if you ever do replace them, then I'd recommend removing the front bumper. And here's how they look with the headlights on. With the regular halogen bulbs that came with the headlights, it looks kind of dorky with the LED fog lights, but I'll eventually get those replaced when I can. Thanks for watching. You can go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like, if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks, guys. See you next time.